Hello and welcome everyone. I like and hip mobility while trying to learn examples of animals which can project projectiles. The exercises are just for me, so if you follow along, it's at your own risk. So the animals listed here are Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, Chameleons, pistol shrimp, and Scotch Broom. The first one is the Archerfish. It can spit jets of water for hunting on prey. Archerfish. 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 And the next one. Anthia. Fire formic acid for defense. Anthia can fire formic acid for defense. Anthia. Archerfish and Anthia. Archerfish, Anthia. Archerfish, Anthia. And the next one. Anisomorpha can fire Terpenes for defense. Anisomorpha. Anisomorpha. Archerfish, Anthia, 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 Anisomorpha. And the next one. Skunks can eject Noxious Fluid. Skunks. Anisomorpha, Skunks. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks. Next one. Camels can bring up stomach contents and project them for distractment. Camels. Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels. Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels. And Brachypelma smithi can kick off Urticating Hair to cause by the other one physical irritation and great discomfort. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Brachypelma smithi. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi. Elephants. Elephants. Brachypelma, smithi. Elephants. Archerfish, Anthia. Anisomorpha. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, Elephants. Elephants can spray water for cooling or in a playful manner and throw things for defense. Elephants, and after elephants, gorillas. Can throw, gorillas. Elephants, gorillas. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, Elephants, gorillas. And chameleons have tons usable as tethered projectile for hunting. Chameleons, elephants, gorillas, chameleons. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons. And the next one, pistol shrimp. Pistol shrimp can snap the claw, creating bubbles capable of stunning larger fish. Pistol shrimp. Pistol shrimp. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons, pistol shrimp. And the last one, Scotch Broom, a shrub. Scotch Broom crack their seed pods, releasing seeds. Scotch Broom. Scotch Broom. Pistol shrimps, Scotch Brooms. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons, pistol shrimp, and Scotch Brooms. Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons, pistol fish, and Scotch Broom. With all, Archerfish, Anthia, Anisomorpha, Skunks, Camels, Brachypelma, smithi, elephants, gorillas, chameleons, pistol shrimp, and the Scotch Broom. I thank you very much for your attendance. Till next time.